Meaning of gladiators.
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 Gladiators. The term gladiators refers to skilled and trained fighters who entertained audiences in ancient Rome by engaging in often deadly combat with each other or with wild animals. These fights, held in arenas called amphitheaters, were a popular form of entertainment and were associated with Roman culture and society. Gladiators were usually slaves, prisoners of war or criminals who had been sentenced to death and were trained in specialized schools. The gladiatorial games were highly organized events that involved elaborate preparations, complex rituals, and a strict code of conduct. Although the practice eventually fell out of favor, it remains an important part of ancient history and continues to be studied and admired today.